Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think I'm so dark. Oh, there you go. Yeah, welcome back. So for today's video, I just gonna join you guys because today is my day off and I'm so excited because I want to be productive today to do this vlog. And I do have a visitor. It's so early in the morning, but she's here and she's cooking something, or I am cooking something. So there you go. So ayun, kakatapos ko lang maglinis ng apartment and I do have a visitor, which is... Back to. Say hi.
Hello! Hello, guys!
Oh, di ba, mayaman to. Sabihin nyo, comment down below, magbibigay to ng iPhone.
Magpaparabal pa ako!
So ayun, magluluto magluluto lang kami ng sinigang, as you can see.
So,
tapos magpipickleball lang kami.
Garlic and then onion first.
So ayun, pag uwi namin galing paglalaro ng pickleball, it's my second day, guys. Can't you not? Ayun, mag-vlog ko lang to. So this is my day off and thank God she's off as well. Kasi 2 years ko na siyang di nakikita. Kasi lagi siya nasa bundok ng Maharlika. And ewan ko ba doon? Ewan ko may jowa yata tong taong tabon.
Guys, I'm a hiker, you know? I love
Hikeries.
adventure.
So ayun,
ano ba yun?
So, while we're doing our sinigang, prepare na muna din ako. Mag-skincare lang ako kasi ang init sa labas. And magsa-sunscreen. And magbibihis na rin ako. So, yeah. Ha? Kasi nga ganun siya.
Magpapabox nga ako.
Magpabox ka na, sabay na tayo.
Ano natin, kung isa lang,
Dalawa, kaya naman eh.
hindi nga isa sa akin, isa sa'yo.
Oo, kasya naman sa kotse mo, di ba? Baliw. 5 box tayo? Ano tayo? May business? Hi, guys! Wala kang kwenta.
Tingnan na yung papalas.
Ano na? No.
Bigyan ka dyan.
Ang ganda mo. Ang ganda niya, no? So we are now on our way to the court. At magpipickleball kami for our first activity for today. Diba?
Tama ba to?
Ganda nito. With my Sisi.
Hello! Di mo news ko.
Diba? Driver siya for today's video. And yeah, for today, things lang magpipickleball kami, then magla-lunch and magsa-swimming, and the rest will be followed. I don't know kung ano pang gagawin naming activity, pero yun, this is type of my day off. And mag-start na ulit ako ng work tomorrow. Hopefully, mag-start na ako ng work tomorrow. But yeah, we're just traveling, going to Carbondale for 15 minutes from my apartment to the north face. So yeah, I'll see you there. Okay, we are here now. We just arrived here at the court and we are ready to play. And I think there's some court free and I'm ready. I'm so excited. Let's go. Exactly. Mag-hi ka na muna. Excited ka na?
Hi! Aga-aga na high blood ako eh. Ano yan?
Ba't ang dilim? So yeah, naglalakad na kami papunta sa court. I'm so excited! So we're here! I'm so excited! Ready ka na?
I'm ready.
Ready na daw siya. Ako hindi ako ready kasi nga. Hi guys! We're basically home na kasi sobrang init. So, hindi na lang kami tumuloy. Pero naglaro kami like for 30 minutes. Then, umuwi na lang kami kasi sobrang init ng weather. Masama na. Okay na yung hindi na siya vitamin A. Cancer na siya. So, ayun. Niluto kong sinigang. Kakainin na namin ngayon. See? Hi! Niluto na kong sinigang is kakainin na. And are we gonna go swimming after this?
Yeah.
And we're gonna go swimming and everyone ate to you. Pangit ka ba?
Hindi.
Ay, bakit?
Nakikita ko talaga sa salaming. Sobrang ganda ko.
The confident everyone. I told you, kakabugin niya yung Chinese. Kinakabog niya yung Chinese.
Pangit ka ba?
Hindi. Bakit ka nagtanong?
Kasi mas pangit ka eh.
Talaga ba?
Ganun
Di mo ba nilagyan ko ng laso yung siligang mo?
Ha?
Hotdog! Kayo, so ito yung clubhouse namin. Di ba may clubhouse kami? Kayo ba? And then there's the pool.
Ang
Clubhouse. Malamig ba?
Excited ako. That is nice.
Malamig ba? Let's see. Sinampala na lang. Ayan, there's the pool. Doon tayo sa initan, sis. Ba't sigaw na sigaw ka dyan? Nang ina ka.
Naway ka na, be.
Mamaya na, be. Magtatan muna ako. Ipod mo yung isa dito.
Ha?
Ipod mo yung isa. We're just gonna go ahead and do swimming. Sabi niya 6 p.m. Ha? Off ka na? Or pinag 6 p.m. ka? Okay no. Alis tayo ng 3. Ang lamig sis. Ang lamig naman ng swimming pool. Sis, tara na. It's so cold. So, ayun, we're done doing the swimming na. How do you feel? So, ayun, balik na ulit kami sa bahay. And then, na kami, anong gagawin natin? Magbabanlaw and then maghahanap kami ng dessert. And magsha-shopping kami online. Di ba? Wala makakapigil sa amin.
Mag-shopping
How's the swimming and the tanning? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, of course.
Ayun, so hindi na namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Let's go to Glenwood.
Kaya pala walang basket sa city market. Nagkakabit niya sa bike niya.
So ayun, yeah, bibis lang kami and yun, awan ko kung ano pa yung kailangan. So ayun guys, we're already getting ready na to go somewhere. I don't know where, but look at her. Maganda! Nagmamaganda na naman siya. So, ayun, magbibihis lang ako, pambahay, and then after nun, di ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. And, I think I do have a package that arrived. So, gagawin ko is magbablog lang ako ulit. Mag-vlog ko yung package. See you later. Hi guys, so as of right now, I'm in my bed. So socially drained ako. So Angelica is here earlier, pero pupunta siya sa Zane's, kukuha siya ng food. So we're just gonna eat food again. And first snacks while watching vlog. And hi, Miss Ray. I love Sakit. Hi guys. So she's arrived. She just arrived from the restaurant. So we have fries over here. Sorry for the messy. And then we do have wait. And onion rings. And it's gonna be the chicken wings. If I'm not mistaken. Yay! Chicken wings! I said sauce on the side. Hindi naman tayo binigyan ng sauce. Charos. So since we're Filipino, I know it's snacks only, but I love chicken, you know? Chicken and rice. Kain.
Sarap naman ang kanta.
So, as you can see, You'll see. Naubos nga lahat. So ngayon magugas na ako na plates kasi it's time for relax na kasi it's already 5 and then this is our dinner na rin. Just like I said, akala ko magluluto tayo ng linguine and mussels pero I'm so full na, so yun na, ito na yung dinner natin. But yeah, let me just go ahead and do the dishes. So ayun guys, we decided to end this day. Of course, I don't know ba't kasama ko siya. Pero yun, I'm so full. Tutulog na muna ako, magta-take ako ng nap. Pero tapusin ko na rin itong vlog. And I hope you guys having a good day and enjoy. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye. More vlog to come.